By week 2 postpartum, you are stuck in that strange in-between stage where you don't feel that sore and exhausted, but definitely you feel dull and tired, and that is absolutely normal. But many moms may also feel better, and this is the stage where they feel that they can start a lot of exercises too soon, and this is a big mistake which you might do. So in this video, we will talk about 5 easy and effective postpartum exercises for week 2, which will help in reconnecting your core and pelvic floor, which will also help in improving your posture and taking care of the neck and shoulder stiffness which might arise if you have an incorrect breastfeeding posture. With that being said, every postpartum journey is different. Always listen to your body, take your doctor's advice, and do what feels right. So let's get started. All of these exercises can also be done laying down on the bed. So exercise number 1 is a 360 breathing. So take your hands wide, keep them on the side of your ribs, down here towards the lower ribs. As you breathe in, you have to expand your rib cage forward, expand it on the side and expand it back. Also, you have to expand your belly out and let go and relax and lengthen your pelvic floor. As you breathe out, you have to take your pelvic floor in and up, take your belly in and align your ribs over the pelvis. So let's begin. Hands on the side, a nice deep breath in. Expanding your ribs, keep breathing in, expand your belly. Keep breathing in, lengthen your pelvic floor. As you breathe out, lift your pelvic floor in and up. Take your belly in and align your ribs over the pelvis. A nice deep breath in again. Remember not to shrug your shoulders and not to use these accessory muscles. As you breathe out, take the pelvic floor in, take the belly in and squeeze your rib cage, aligning the ribs over the pelvis. A nice deep breath in again. Two more times. Breathe in, expanding completely. As you breathe out, one more time. Breathe in, the rib cage, the belly and the pelvic floor. As you breathe out, pelvic floor goes in, belly goes in and ribs over the pelvis down and in. This breathing helps reconnect all the muscles of your core, expanding in all the directions and helping you breathe a lot better. Exercise number 2 is neck stretches and the neck movements. First, we begin with gentle neck movements up and down. A lot of times when you are feeding your baby, you tend to look down and complete range of neck movements is not there. So make sure that you are gently moving your neck down and up in complete range. Then turn your neck on the side, ear towards the shoulder. Very gentle movements. Towards the end, you might feel a slight stretch in your neck muscles. If you are able to, you can slowly increase the range. Relax. The last one. Turn your neck side to side. Try looking back, making sure that you do not, as of now, rotate your belly. Just gentle neck rotations. One side to the other. The third one is the shoulder movements and the shoulder stretches. So first we'll begin with complete range of forward, up and down movements. This helps to increase the shoulder range and also Release any stiffness or any tightness you might be having in your muscles. Next, keep your arms forward and open them up side to side. Breathe out, open up your chest, breathe in. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. And the third one is a diagonal movement. So keeping your hands straight, open the arms diagonally. Breathe in and expand. Breathe out, hands in the center. Breathe in and breathe out. You can increase or reduce the number of reps depending upon how you feel. One more time. Relax. Next exercise is to activate the glute muscles, which is a glute bridge. So for that you need to lie down. Keep your arms by the side and legs slightly towards the hips such that your fingertips are almost touching your heel. Now as you breathe in, expand your belly slightly, tilting your pelvis. As you breathe out, take your belly in, coming to a neutral spine, making sure that you are not overly tilting and going into a posterior tilt. So just achieving a neutral spine. Breathe in, breathe out, coming into a neutral spine. Squeeze your hip muscles and lift. And slowly relax. Again, breathe in, breathe out. Squeeze your hips and lift. Relax. Again, breathe in, breathe out. Relax. Two more times. Breathe in, tilt, squeeze your hips down. Breathe out, coming into a neutral spine, belly flat. Squeeze your hips and lift. Relax one more time. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax. The last exercise is a heel slide, where you need to slide your legs very slowly and gently, remembering not to put a lot of pressure on the abdominals. So you have to do this movement while breathing out and slowly tucking your belly in. Relax as you breathe in. As you breathe out, gently slide your heel. If you want, you can breathe in again. Again, breathe out, engage your core with the movement. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, belly rises up. Breathe out, engage your core and move your leg. Two more times, breathe in. Slowly breathe out. If you want, you can breathe in when the leg is completely straight and breathe out again when you are bending your knee. And if you are able to, then all throughout this movement, make sure that you are breathing out and your belly is nicely tucked in, core is active. 5 more times with the other leg. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, Breathe out. 3 more times we'll try doing the whole movement while breathing in. So breathe in, breathe out, breathe in again, breathe out. If you feel tired, obviously you can rest after 2 or 3 reps and then do 2 more reps when you feel better. Once more, breathe in, breathe out, engage your core. Relax. So these are the 5 postpartum exercises for week 2. You can start with 5 reps twice a day and slowly increase to 10 reps once you feel more comfortable. Small movements, if done consistently, can make a huge difference in your postpartum recovery. If this video has helped you, make sure that you like, subscribe, and share with other moms who might need it. Comment recovery if you want more such postpartum recovery videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.